Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to take some time to discuss the power of the subconscious mind and how it affects our daily lives. Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his best-selling self-help book, emphasizes that as you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment. This means that the thoughts and beliefs we hold in our subconscious mind greatly impact the outcomes we experience in our lives. The subconscious mind is like a computer's hard drive where it stores information that we give it, good or bad. But sometimes we don't realize that we think negatively, and that sends negative thoughts to the subconscious mind. And so, we may experience bad things in life. Today, I will talk about how we can get rid of negative thoughts and beliefs from our minds to bring good things in our lives. But first, remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for more videos that can aid you in your journey towards achieving your goals. Our mind has two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. The subconscious part holds on to thoughts and affects our behavior, even if we're not aware of it. It doesn't judge what information it saves and will remember anything we repeatedly think. This means that if we keep thinking the same negative thoughts, they will become ingrained in our minds, making them difficult to change. Let's use an example to explain this idea more clearly. Imagine you wrote the sentence, "I am not good enough," on a piece of paper. Then, you kept writing the same sentence on top of it over and over again. The more you wrote it, the darker and more noticeable the words became. This made it more difficult to erase the words from the paper later on. Another example is learning to ride a bike. At first, it can be challenging because it's tricky to stay balanced. However, with practice, you can gradually improve and balance for longer periods of time. By repeating the process, your mind learns how to maintain balance and will remember how to do it next time. This means that the next time you ride, your mind will use the same knowledge, and you'll be able to ride the bicycle without any trouble. It's fascinating that if you learn to ride a bike the wrong way, you'll probably keep doing it that way forever unless you try again, delete the old information, and replace it with new information. So, what does this mean for you? If you keep thinking or believing the same negative things over and over, they will get stuck in your mind, making it hard to get rid of them. However, it's not impossible to change your negative thoughts and habits. You can do this by erasing the old information and replacing it with new positive thoughts and beliefs. By doing this, you can improve yourself, learn new things, and change your life for the better. It all starts with changing the way you think and programming your subconscious mind with positive beliefs. You can get rid of the thoughts and beliefs in your subconscious mind, but it needs work from your end. That's why breaking bad habits is hard, both for things you do and for the way you think. The things you do every day, like your routine, are physical habits. What you think and believe, like your self-talk or ideas about yourself and the world, are mental habits. So, how do we erase negative thoughts and beliefs from our subconscious mind and replace them with positive ones? The first step in erasing negative thoughts and beliefs from our subconscious mind is to identify them. This step is crucial because we cannot change something that we are not aware of. Negative thinking patterns and beliefs can often be buried deep in our subconscious mind, so it can be challenging to identify them. One way to identify negative thinking patterns and beliefs is through introspection. Take some time to reflect on your thinking process and feelings. Notice any negative patterns or recurring ideas that make you feel bad about yourself or your life. These patterns may be related to your self-worth, your relationships, your career, or any other aspect of your life. Another way to identify negative thinking patterns and beliefs is through journaling. Writing down your feelings can help you to identify patterns and themes that may be holding you back. Start by writing down any negative views or beliefs that come to mind. Then, look for common themes and patterns. This can help you to identify the underlying beliefs that are fueling the negative thoughts. Talking to a therapist or trusted friend can also be helpful in identifying negative thinking patterns and beliefs. They can provide an outside perspective and help you to see things in a new light. They can also offer support and guidance as you work to overcome negative thinking patterns. It's important to remember that identifying negative thinking patterns and beliefs is an ongoing process. It may take time and effort to uncover all of the negative programming in your subconscious mind, but by staying aware and committed to the process, you can start to take control of your thoughts and beliefs and create a more positive and fulfilling life. Once you have identified the negative thinking patterns and beliefs, the next step is to challenge them. This step is crucial because it allows us to question the validity of our negative beliefs and provides an opportunity to replace them with positive ones. To challenge negative beliefs, we must first recognize them. Negative beliefs can manifest as self-doubt, limiting beliefs, and irrational fears. Examples of negative beliefs include, "I'm not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "I will fail." These beliefs often stem from past experiences or conditioning, and they can be deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind. To challenge negative beliefs, we need to examine them closely and ask ourselves whether they are true. For example, if we believe that we are not good enough, we can ask ourselves, is this belief really true? We can then examine the evidence that supports or contradicts this belief. We may find that there is little or no evidence to support the belief, and that it is merely a perception or interpretation of a past experience. Another way to challenge negative beliefs is to reframe them. Reframing involves looking at a situation or belief from a different perspective. For example, if we believe that we will fail at a particular task, we can reframe the belief by telling ourselves that failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Once we have challenged negative beliefs, it's important to replace them with positive ones. Positive affirmations and visualization techniques can help us to do this. Positive affirmations involve repeating positive statements to ourselves, such as "I am confident and capable," "I deserve success," or "I am worthy of love and respect." Visualization involves imagining ourselves achieving our goals and experiencing positive outcomes. In addition to these techniques, it's important to practice self-compassion and self-care. Changing negative programming in our subconscious mind can be challenging, and it's important to be patient and kind to ourselves throughout the process. Engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment can also help to shift our focus away from negative beliefs and towards positive ones. Once you have identified and challenged the negative thinking patterns and beliefs that are holding you back, the next step is to replace them with positive ones. This involves intentionally feeding your subconscious mind with positive affirmations and beliefs to overwrite the negative programming. Positive affirmations are short, positive statements that you repeat to yourself daily. For example, "I am confident and capable," "I am worthy of love and success," or "I trust that everything will work out for my highest good." By repeating these affirmations regularly, you start to reprogram your subconscious mind with positive beliefs, which in turn can attract positive outcomes in your life. Visualization is another powerful technique for replacing negative beliefs with positive ones. This involves visualizing yourself achieving your goals, feeling happy and fulfilled, and experiencing abundance and success. By vividly imagining yourself in these positive scenarios, you can create new neural pathways in your brain that support your desired outcomes. Another effective technique is to surround yourself with positive influences. This includes reading inspiring books, watching motivational videos, and spending time with people who uplift and support you. By immersing yourself in positive energy, you can shift your mindset and reprogram your subconscious mind with positive beliefs and thoughts. It's important to note that replacing negative beliefs with positive ones takes time and consistency. It's not a one-time fix, but rather an ongoing process of intentionally feeding your subconscious mind with positive programming. With practice and persistence, you can transform your mindset and attract positive outcomes in all areas of your life. In conclusion, our subconscious mind plays a powerful role in shaping our lives, but we have the ability to change the programming and attract positive outcomes. By identifying and challenging negative thinking patterns and beliefs, and replacing them with positive ones, we can transform our lives and manifest our dreams. And let me know in the comments section how you plan to replace any unwanted ideas with positive thoughts using affirmations. Also, do subscribe to our channel as we bring you more mind-enhancing content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.